Today, we're diving deep into that exhilarating moment when you lock eyes with someone oh so attractive and feel a rush of energy. You're itching to strike up a conversation, to let them know you're interested, but you're also worried about coming off as too aggressive or scaring them away. We've all been there, right? And guess what? You're not alone in this. I used to think the same way too. Sometimes, our minds play tricks on us, and we end up stumbling over mental hurdles when it comes to flirting. But fear not, my friends. I'm here to spill the beans on 3 game-changing strategies that'll make flirting a breeze, especially when you're eyeing someone you'd love to connect with. But before we dive into those golden tips, let's unravel the mystery behind flirting itself and tackle a couple of mindset roadblocks that often trip us up. Flirting is simply about expressing your romantic interest in someone, giving them a sneak peek into your attraction radar. Yet, a pesky thought might creep in, making you fear that flirting automatically translates to wanting to jump into bed with them. Let's clear that up. Flirting doesn't mean you're signing up for a one-way ticket to the bedroom. It's more like dipping your toes into the pool of potential romantic connection. Another mental hiccup is the notion that if you show interest, you're signing up for a long-term relationship commitment. Breathe easy, folks. Flirting doesn't come with a commitment clause. It's all about getting to know someone, exploring the chemistry, and seeing where it takes you. Remember, dating is like a trial run. You're discovering if this person is the puzzle piece that fits snugly into your life. Alright, now that we've debunked those myths, let's jump into the juicy stuff. Here are the 3 magical steps to up your flirting game. Step 1. Make friends with flirting. Picture this, you've got a green light, and it's shining bright. Most of us, however, tend to hide our flirtatious vibes in the shadows. Nah, it's time to let that light shine, my friends. When you're interested in someone, crank up the green light and let them know you're flirting. Embrace it like an old buddy. Trust me, the right person will be drawn to that positive energy. Step 2. Reframe failure. The fear of rejection, it's like a shadow that haunts us. But wait, here's a plot twist. Regret weighs way heavier than a brief moment of discomfort. Imagine spotting someone you're into, hesitating to say hi, and then spending the rest of the day kicking yourself. Ouch, right? Instead, embrace the philosophy that taking action is a win in itself. Every step forward, no matter the outcome, is a success. Remember, the only true failure is letting fear sideline you. Step 3. Be authentic. Forget those over-the-top pickup lines and elaborate schemes. The key to genuine connection is authenticity. So, next time you spot someone intriguing, summon your inner confidence and introduce yourself with a simple "Hi, my name is Alehsha, what's your name?" It might sound basic, but it's a powerful icebreaker because it's real. And here's a bonus tip: follow up with a sincere compliment about their energy or vibe. It's a surefire way to kickstart a meaningful conversation. And there you have it, folks. These 3 steps will transform your flirting game from meh to yeah. Remember, flirting is your gateway to discovering incredible connections and igniting sparks. So, when was the last time you tried flirting? What's your go-to strategy? Share your thoughts down below. Let's spark a conversation about sparking conversations. Thanks for hanging out, and here's to creating a love life that's as epic as you are. Catch you in the next one.